Why'd you have to kick me? I farted right when you kicked me.
Nasty. Don't you be farting. Daniel! Disrespectful. Stop! You're hella nasty.
Have you ever farted? And the food comes out?
Yeah, I did that.
Ew, that's not funny. That's hella nasty.
No, what are you doing?
What are you doing? That's the
Anna. She won't get wet off that shit.
Dope. Dope. Suck shit. I'm gonna kick you in the nut. No.
Oh.
No! 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 Freaking a-hole! Don't you dare fart on me right now. Don't fart. No. Daniel, get off.
Whoa.
Ew.
Hold this back.
You just like, we're outside. Daniel! How do you spell y'all? Daniel!